Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you what to do when your Cash App isn't working. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. So there are a couple of things that you can do when your Cash App isn't working. So first, what you can do is check your internet connection. If your internet connection is weaker, that might be also the cause of the problem that you are facing. So just simply switching up the internet connection to a stronger connection will basically fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your app store, and then on the search bar simply type in Cash App and then tap on the Cash App to check if the app needs an update or not. Sometimes the older version also might be causing the issues that you are facing, so just simply updating the app to the latest version will fix the issue. But if that still doesn't fix the issue, then what you can do is head over to your settings app, and once you're inside your settings, scroll down and then tap on General. And once you tap on General, tap on iPhone Storage, and once you're inside your iPhone Storage, scroll down and then locate Cash App and then tap on it. And now once you tap on Cash App, here you'll find two options, that is Upload App and Delete App. Simply tap on Offload App, and what this does, it resets the app by clearing all the bugs and glitches which is present in the app, which might be causing the issues that you are facing. And once that's done, all you gotta do is try again, and that's basically how you can do it. And that's it for today's video, guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if you did, comment down below what the next video should be on, consider subbing to the channel. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.